Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. I want to show you the latest play to earn um, mini app on Telegram. It is already an existing central exchange. As you can see, this is the central exchange. CEX IO is already number 77 on Coingecko. As you can see here, this is Coingecko. It's 77th on the list of top exchanges, while on CoinMarketCap it is ranked I think 89. As you can see here, 89. It is ranked 89 here. As you can see, it's ranked 89 here. Now they are now giving opportunity to people here. 89, they are 89, then they are 89, as you can see here. Now they are offering a opportunity for people to join their app using the Telegram virality right now, so you can play and earn their tokens. They have not launched their official token yet, so they are using Telegram play to earn method to earn. So how do you do this? If you check the description of this video or the comment section, you will see a link to this to play and earn on Telegram, and when you click on it, it will take you to this place. You see, take you to Telegram and you see this interface. All you have to do, of course, join their community. Then of course, after that, you start up the app. Or you can launch the app, then start up the app like this. Start up app. You start the app. This is what you will see. This is what you see. I think this network, you can when it is a delay, you just reload the page. As you can see, it's loading up. So you see this interface. All you have to do, you come here and just tap this button. I've claimed that before doing this video. So you have 100 taps to take. You just tap here, then you claim. Now then, of course, like I always advise, once you enter a new project, the first thing to do is to come to the tax section. So come to the tax section and do the little tax that is there. Come to the tax section and do the little tax here. As you can see, I've done mine completed. I've done all this. You do this little tax, just follow, share, and all that little tax, and you get points. I've done mine already. So, and of course, you come to farm here. It's like here you be farming, here be mining. So you mine every. I want to claim my own now. Then you see the time. Start farming. And let's see how many hours. So every 4 hours, as you can see here, for 4 hours. Every 4 hours you come here and claim. So that's how this one works. Then of course, if you want to get more points, squad referrals, and you get bonuses for referrals. As you can see, I have a strong team already of 70 persons. So basically this is how it works. So the more you come here and tap, you do your tax, of course, then you farm, then you refer people, then you get more points. As you can see, I have this 771,000 already. So as you can see, the token is called CXP token. So guys, this is huge. Don't never fade any central exchange token. This is how Binance started and it became big. So this is an opportunity for you. So guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course participate in the draft. Bye for now. See you until the next video. See you then. Bye.